This little cedar waxwing ended up banging into our window. Her neck was to one side. We were just kind of helping her to adjust for a minute. You doing better?
Is her beak closed?
No.
Can't see its peach-colored chest. Do you hear me talking about you?
Almost close.
Do you hear me talking? Hmm? Is your leg gonna work again? Because your claws don't look very good. No. Your little piggies don't look so good. Can you pick it up? There. Yeah. Oh, that was good. That's turning the head. You're gonna have to go find your flock. Yeah. They should just be flying around the neighborhood looking for berries. Yeah. You're here getting my leather leaf mahonia. You're getting some purple berries. You've eaten all of them. That's an alert look you got there. You're checking it out, aren't you? You're beautiful. You're very beautiful. That's a pretty gray tail. And you got peach on your chest. I just can't see it. Yeah.
Just sitting on you. Izzy, stop scratching.
You got your beak closed. You got some fight in there. No, I don't want to bury you now. Don't get pissy with me. Did you get it flying away?